It's looking like a windy day as well, with gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour. Michael?
Well, animal bites are a lot more common than you think. Some of those bites are pretty serious, but doctors are using unique surgeries to give them back what they lost.
Riding horses has been a passion for Valeria Romero. Then 3 years ago, while in a stall, she got the shock of a lifetime.
I didn't even see him. It was a flash like a jack in the box. He got me.
Valeria didn't know she was bitten by a horse until an ER nurse told her part of her nose was gone.
What do you say to that? Like, a part of my face was missing.
Luckily, Dr. Jashua Lamert, who specializes in nasal tip reconstruction, was on call that day. Dr. Lampert rebuilt Valeria's nose using a unique procedure called the forehead flap.
I used tissue from her forehead based off an artery that comes out of the eye socket right here, and I brought that down.
The tissue is left connected to the artery for 2 months, allowing blood supply to grow. This part is difficult for the patient because the artery is visible from the outside.
I told my mom, I was like, I'm sorry, but can we cover up anything that reflects in the house?
Dr. Lampert then used cartilage from Valeria's ear to recreate the skeletal framework of her nose.
We can carve now, like a sculpture, the nose the way we want it to look.
After her 4th procedure, Valeria was ready to see her new nose and face in the mirror.
I was like, that's my face. It was so, it was so weird.
Now, studying photography in college, Valeria looks forward to riding again one day.
It's like when a surfer gets attacked by, like, it gets bitten by a shark and they go right back into the water.
Or for Valeria, literally getting back on the horse. I'm Marty Salt reporting.